Okay, in this video, or sorry, in this webinar, I will talk about new setups. I will take a look on all markets, and yeah, I'm waiting also for messages in that chat, YouTube chat. So I'll take a look on all markets, trying to identify new setups after poor economic data, poor US economic data. Also, the Canadian economic data came in worse than expected. So I will take a look and I will try to identify new setups. Also, don't forget that later, guys, we'll have the US Financial Services PMI and the ISM Services PMI, which is seen as a high impact event. And yeah, this could be decisive later, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, so please read it. Don't forget that learn to trade. A team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Please be careful out there on Telegram. There are a lot of maybe scamming groups, scammers, fake accounts. So please be careful. Okay, so DXY, massive sell-off after poor economic data, poor US economic data, non-farm employment change worse than expected, worse compared to a previous reporting period. Average hourly earnings only a 0.2% growth versus 0.3% growth expected. Unemployment rate also here. Big surprise, 3.9% versus 3.8% expected, 3.8% in the previous reporting period. So, Charles, hi, how are you? Rose, Alice, hello. Ice Dog, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you guys? So I'm waiting also for messages, but if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. I need your levels, your time frame. Yeah, so massive sell-off. Right now I don't want to sell the US dollar after this massive sell-off, because right now it has dropped and closed it below the former low here, and maybe I would like to see a rebound before trying to catch a US dollar short. Okay. Yeah, here after escaping from this ascending pitchfork breakdown retest, massive sell-off, is too late right now to go short, in my opinion, on the US dollar. Yeah, maybe even if maybe the DXY could extend its growth, but I don't want to sell it here at market. I'll wait for a retreat. Let's take a look on Euro USD, for example. So an amazing rally. Okay, an amazing rally. I don't want to buy it here. Where should I put my stop loss? That's why I'll wait for a temporary retreat. I would like the price to come back down, and then to look for longs here. British pound, the US dollar. Let's take a look also here. Same here. In the previous week I've talked about a long opportunity. Actually, I've had a buying setup long from right above this former high here. Okay, yeah, personally I've managed it after the economic data, but yeah, it would have been really good. It would have approached and reached maybe my take profit. Right now, amazing rally. I don't want to buy it here. I'll wait for a retreat, for a correction. Yeah, I don't want to buy it here. I will buy it after a retreat or after an accumulation consolidation, after maybe a new bullish pattern or upside continuation pattern. USD, Japanese yen. So if you have questions, guys, personally I will take a look on all markets. I will try to identify new setups for me, for myself, and I will share my trade also here with you guys into the VIP group as well. US dollar Japanese yen. I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen when the price was here the previous days in my daily video analysis. Charles, please look at gold. Yeah, gold rallied. Charles, personally, I've deleted my my pending order right before the economic data, because yeah, anything could happen. And right now gold rallied. And about US dollar Japanese yen, yeah. I've talked about US dollar Japanese yen when the price was here, I believe, something like this. Okay, and yeah, I've missed an opportunity maybe during the Asian session, but I will look for something else. I've talked about maybe a deeper drop. Yeah, please check Would you look for sell on or nest to fill that imbalance candle? I will take a look on gold, maybe also on US 100. Yeah. So right now I'll wait for this retreat to end, to be over. Maybe I will look for only for longs right now here on US Japanese US dollar versus the Japanese yen, or if I will look for shorts also if it will develop and if it will print only temporary rebounds before extending its sell-off towards this zone or towards this zone here, towards the lower medium line, because right now it could try to retest the medium line before extending its growth. Yeah, but right now I don't have a high probability setup, and when I don't have a high probability setup or a high probability trade, I don't want to do anything. So this was my setup today. I deleted the pending order. I've deleted the pending order because the price failed to make a new lower low. In my opinion, if the US non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings, the US indicators would have reported better than expected data, then most likely the price of gold would have crashed. But only because we had poor economic data, worse than expected data. Yeah, unfortunately, the price of gold, the yellow metal, rallied. And right now, I will delete this pitchfork and these from here. Yeah, right now challenges a supply zone. Okay, and let's take a look. No, I don't. I will look for shorts, but no, right now I don't want to sell it after what happened here. Okay, because we had this sell-off. Yeah, in the short term it could still retreat, but only, in my opinion, only if the US data will come in better than expected later. So ISM services PMI, final services PMI. Right now I'll wait. Okay, because maybe the price. Because we already had a retreat, a sell-off here. Yeah, on lower time frames, maybe this could represent also I don't know, a flag in the short term. But personally, no, I don't want to trade on 2 minutes or 1 minute, or yeah, no. I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Also, let's take a look on Nasdaq, because maybe I would like the price of gold to extend its growth, maybe to reach this zone here, this supply zone on 1 hour. Yeah, we are already in a supply zone, but only if the price fails to take out today's high, then maybe I will look for something. But right now, no. US 100. US 100. About US 100, right now it challenges my upper medium line here as a dynamic resistance. Okay, and but yeah, after this amazing rally, I would like to catch a potential sell-off, so I will look for shorts, for selling opportunities, maybe here around this supply zone, or if it fails to take out here the upper medium line, test retests, false breakouts followed by new lower low, could open the door. But right now, no, I don't want to sell at market. I need a setup, a high probability setup. Okay, and I will place a trade only if I will have something really great, because right now, yeah, in the short term we cannot exclude a retreat, the price to come back to retest maybe this zone here before jumping higher, before extending its growth. It remains to see. I told you guys, later we'll have the US final services PMI, ISM services PMI. And better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate versus its rivals. And one moment. Yeah, so let's take a look again. Let's take a look also on US 30. US 30, US 30, yeah, same here. But maybe I will look only for shorts, okay, after this impressive upwards movement, leg higher, swing higher. And also US 30 reached this supply zone, okay, and a bearish formation, a bearish pattern here inside of this supply zone, staying below 34,145 could bring us new shorts, okay. But right now the bias is still bullish. The upside pressure is strong. The buyers are very strong only because we had poor economic data, yeah. And because the DXY crashed, US dollar depreciated versus its rivals, okay. US 500, let's take a look on higher time frame, yeah. Also here US 500, if the price reaches this supply zone, probably I will look for shorts. So right now temporary retreats could bring us longs, potential longs, as the US 500, US 30, US 100 could the US equities could jump higher. But yeah, I will look also for potential shorts. Yeah. For now, personally, I'm still keeping that pending order in US oil. If you are a VIP member, what do you think about your CAD? What about that market? So I've told you guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you're looking at, your time frame, your levels. Okay, nothing for me right now here on US equities. Yeah, gold could retreat a little and to maybe to retest this zone here before jumping higher. Silver, but maybe I will look only for longs, maybe in gold, also on silver, if the price will come back, if the price of also silver will come back down, yeah. But don't forget that the fundamentals could still shake the markets later. The US economic data. I will invite more members. Yeah. Okay. USD CAD, let's take a look, because yeah, if it stays, guys, if it stays above 1.3661, then I will look for potential longs, okay, because also the Canadian economic data came in worse than expected. It remains to see how it will react here, and in my opinion, if the price reaches this zone, and if the US data if the ISM services PMI and the final services PMI indicators will come in better than expected, then I will look for maybe for a rebound. I will try to catch a potential rebound here. Okay, USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc. Now gold just feel it that imbalance calendar and keeps dropping. Yeah, no, this person, I'm not trading like this. No, I'm not using that that strategy, that model, entry model. Yeah, yeah. So I'm not trading because right now we have sharp movements in both directions after and around the high impact events. Personally, I prefer to wait for the markets to calm down, to cool down, and then I'll try to catch something. Yeah, we had a strong sell-off, but this is not how I trade. Okay, this is not how I trade. Okay. I told you also in my previous webinars that personally I use a personal approach, confluence trading strategy. Yeah, no, I will not place a trade only because. One moment. It has reached, I don't know, a demand zone or a supply zone, yeah, or because it could approach and reach a supply zone, or only because it could approach and reach a demand zone. No. Okay, I need confirmation. I need confirmation. I need confirmation. The XY. Yeah, the XY is still under pressure. Is still under pressure, and yeah. Let's take a look on silver. Sorry, silver. Yeah, maybe I would like the price of silver to approach and reach this zone, and then I will try to catch something, like a potential long. But unfortunately, yeah, yeah. Where should I put my stop loss? Because if I will decide to buy it here, okay, if I will decide to place a trade here, maybe at market, where should I put my stop loss? If I will decide to put my stop loss here, I believe that my risk, it would be far above 0.30%, 0.50% of my trading account, because yeah, with a 0.01 lot size. Yeah. So I don't want to do anything right now. I'll take a look on my MetaTrader 5. One moment. MetaTrader 5 on my real account. Because personally I'm trading on real here. All my trades, I'm placing all my trades on a real account. In a real account. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry about that. Now I'm deleting that US oil, but I will for now I will still keep it. I will come back with an update into the VIP. Okay, I will come back with an update into the VIP about that that trade. Yeah, about gold. Yeah, it has reached the demand zone. Right now it tries to rebound only because the DXY is still under pressure. It could extend its bit sell-off in yeah, in 14 minutes. We'll have the final services PMI, and in 29 minutes we'll have the ISM services PMI. Yeah. Okay. If you have questions, guys. Yarn basket. Let's take a look. Yeah, it has changed a little around the economic data. Let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see if we'll have something on the Japanese. Yeah, maybe here we've missed something after this amazing rally retest. Boom. Okay. Right now it's too late in my opinion. Maybe on lower time frames here we had something. Okay. This rebound, yeah, amazing rally, rebound, maybe here after taking out or after reaching this this supply zone, or after taking out the immediate dynamic support uptrend line. And yeah, right now strong sell-off after the economic data. Let's see if we have something here on British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah. Maybe I will record a video after I will end this webinar about British pound, Japanese yen, and only because right now it challenges the supply zone here. Okay, and the bearish pattern here could bring us something, but right now, yeah. The bias is bullish. Yeah, the bias is still bullish. British pound, Japanese yen. The bias was bullish after this retreat. Yeah, after this retreat, we had a temporary correction. Temporary correction here. Breakout, retest, sideways movement, and right now, boom. Euro, Japanese yen. Sebastian, good morning. Harry, still keep US oil. Harry, as you already know, personally, I will come back with an update into the VIP group when I will decide to delete the pending order or to manage a position. Yeah, and right now, yeah, I've said that I will still keep it. Yeah, and maybe I will only move that. I will move the stop loss maybe below the former low, but right now I will keep it as it is, and I will come back with an update. Yeah, with an update if I will decide to do something, yeah, in US oil. I will take a look on US oil in, yeah, hide. Okay. Okay. Thank. I'm selling Euro USD after the spike, but it is an option after the new. Okay. US oil. Yeah. Personally, I talked about US oil today in my market breakdown video, and I said that only validating its breakout here through the downtrend line and making a new higher high. You can see that it has registered after retesting the broken down trend line. It has registered only false breakout above 83.33. Yeah, the price is different, maybe compared to the MetaTrader 4 or don't forget that the price could be different when trading CFDs, when trading US oil from one brokerage company to another brokerage company. Right now I'll wait. Okay, personally I have this range. I've talked about this range, false breakdowns, and if it will stay and stabilize above the S1, above the downtrend line, and the new higher high could signal potential growth. And yeah, maybe I will manage my setup, but I will come back with an update when I will if I will decide to change my potential stop loss, my entry, my risk, or something like this. Okay, so right now I'm keeping my my setup as it is. So I'm selling Euro USD. Yeah, it's your call. It's your call. I don't know your setup, your levels, your time frame, your risk. So I will not tell you what to do because I'm not a financial advisor, so it's your call. Personally, yeah, no, I don't have anything here. British pound, US dollar. Let's wait to see how it will react around 1.2337. As I said earlier, USD, Bitcoin. Are you interested in cryptocurrencies, guys? Because personally, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs, but I'll wait for the correction to end for this retreat. Yeah, retreat also here in Ethereum after retesting that supply zone. But as long as it stays above 1,744, above the medium line, even if the price will come back to retest it, I will look for longs. Okay. Yeah. Massive downside pressure here on DXY. That's why it's really hard to catch something really good around high impact events, yeah, gold. But this is not how I trade. Yeah. Gold is still bullish. After reaching that demand zone, but this is not how I trade. This is not my entry model. Yeah, I've talked about potential retreat, and if it will reach here, it could rally, it could rebound, but no. This is not how I trade. And also it's risky in the short term also, because the volatility is high. And also the traders are waiting for the final services PMI, also for the ISM services PMI, and maybe we'll have something later, like a high probability setup and trade. Yeah. Yeah. And the person I'm keeping that pending order in US oil only because my risk is only because my risk it's only 0.25. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Nothing really good for me right now. Let's take a look on silver again. Yeah, it has ended its retreat. Okay. US 500. So personally, I'll wait for the economic data and then I will try maybe to catch something on US equities or on the Japanese yen, US dollar, maybe gold, silver. Nothing really good for me right now. If you have questions, guys, Euro USD, yeah, still bullish as the DXY could extend its sell-off. Yeah. Yen basket. Yen basket, but no, I don't have something really good on the Japanese yen right now. A new higher high here could signal a potential larger upside movement, maybe after retesting here. Yeah, but I don't know if I'll have something really good on the Japanese yen pairs. Yeah, US dollar Japanese yen, I've said that I'll wait for the price to hit this zone before looking for longs. British pound Japanese yen, yeah, maybe I will record a video later about this market or about USD CAD. Let's see, let's wait. Also USD CAD, guys, 1.3661 as downside obstacle and target. Let's see, false breakdown here, test retest could bring us a rebound, but only if the US data will come in better than expected. Yeah, let's take a look. Actually, we already had 50.6, yeah, worse than expected versus 50.9. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, because only test, retest, and false breakdowns, a bearish pattern, sorry, a bullish formation here could signal maybe a rebound here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah. Okay, nothing really good for me right now. That's why I will end this webinar here. And I will try to catch something right after in less than in less than 13 minutes, because we'll have the ISM services PMI, and yeah, I will try to identify something. Yeah, massive sell-off. USD, Singapore dollar, USD, South African rand, but yeah, okay. So I will end this webinar here, and I will come back with an update into the VIP group, if I will decide to keep my US oil, or if I will have something, a new setup or trade on maybe US dollar, sorry, on the US dollar, or on the Japanese yen, gold, silver, or US equities. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend, and stay safe, guys. Huge volatility right now. Okay, so thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like the video, and have a great weekend. Personally, I'll come back with something else later, after the US ISM services PMI. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.